back to my channel and happy new year, happy 2020. I hope this year bring you many good things. For my old subscribers, thank you for coming back, and for my new subscribers, welcome, and please subscribe and stay in the family. I have many goals and aspirations in 2020, so I will show you guys how I tend to meet every one of them. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a vision board, how to make your perfect vision board in 2020. For those of you who does not know what a vision board is a tool used to help to clarify, concentrate, and maintain focus on a specific life goals. Literally, a vision board is any sort of board used to display images that represent whatever you want to be, do, or represent in your life. Once you dream it, the next step is for you to believe it. In addition to images, can include word, phrases, sentences that affirm your intention. Finally, another key purpose that vision boards serve is to help you stay focused. It isn't difficult to start each day with a positive attitude. So guys, if you want to see how to make your vision board, keep watching.
So guys, all you need is your carton board. You can use any kind of board, but me, I use a carton board. Yeah, and your printed pictures and your gum, your markers, but I didn't make use of the markers. I just used the gum and your scissors as well to trim out the pictures out of the paper. I'm just trying to trim the pictures, the ones I want, out of the paper. You can go to the net to download any picture you want, anything you hope to achieve this year and all that. So in this picture is a man supporting his lady. That's the kind of man I want in my life, a very caring and supportive man who will support my dream, who will always be there for me. Oh, I didn't know adorable. I love girls twins so much. I really hope I have them, like seriously. God damn, so cute. So I'll be placing these on my board as well. And guys, you have to add your own picture to the board as well, so that everything you are affirming is going to come to pass. Just place your picture on the board with other things that you want to come to pass. So guys, you just have to put your gum at the back of your picture and place it on your board. Put the gum at the back and place it on your board. That is how I did it in all the pictures. Yeah, my board is all set, so I'm done. So I'm just going to place it anywhere in my room. So guys, this is it. This is the process of everything of how you can make your own perfect vision
I'm
board.
going to explain to you everything that I want to achieve in this year 2020. Yes, this is the year 2020, and I put this phrase here. I'm a money magnet. Prosperity is drawn to me because prosperity is going to be drawn to me in this year 2020. Everything positive is going to draw to me. And here in this year 2020, by God's grace, I hope to be engaged and get married, to be a boss in my business. I hope my business grows. It just indicates my business as a whole. Yeah, here is just a picture of how I want my honeymoon scenario to look like and all that. So this is the kind of thing I want. And here is a phrase, a sentence like family is everything. And here is a picture of a man supporting his lady. That's the thing I hope for, to get a man who supports my dream, who will be there for me, who will love me with his heart and cherish me. And here is a twins baby. I love to have twins, so yeah, I just put the twins baby here. And here, you all know I'm using my phone to vlog. So in this year, I hope to get my camera. So I just put it here. And here, money now. We all want money, so I just put money here, so it will attract and I'll work towards it, my financial goal and everything here. And here, this is my picture. I just put my picture here to attract everything I want to happen, to manifest to the universe and everything I want. I put this quote here that says, what you think you become, what you feel you attract, and what you imagine you create. This quote is a very inspirational quote to me. I just believe the write-up and everything. And here is a picture of people in the office working. I really hope to get a job this year to support me in my finances and that. I really hope to get a job, though I'm not going to stop doing my YouTube though. And I just want a job. I want to have a side job and my business and my YouTube channel. That's what I aspire to have this year. And here, faith over fear. You know, for these things to come to pass, you have to have a strong faith. You have to believe in it. No matter what the circumstances, no matter what you face, you just have to keep your faith strong and it will come to pass. That's why I put faith over fear. Psalm 118:6. So here is this is me every day, every time. Proverbs 31:25. She is clothed with strength and dignity, and she laughs without fear of the future. Yeah, this is so me. And this phrase here, I just said I'm successful. I don't need to put I will be successful. I don't need to put I shall be successful. I just put I am successful because I know that success is for me. Yeah, and in my YouTube channel, I hope my goal this year is to reach 1,000 subscribers. This year, I think my subscribers are around 67 or 68, but I'm not really sure. But this year, I will reach 1,000 subscribers with the help of you guys. Yeah, my vision board. This one is just another inspirational quote. Financially, I'm going to win. Share-wise, I'm going to win. Mentally, I'm going to win. Emotionally, I'm going to win. Physically, I'm going to win. Family-wise, I'm going to win. With love, I'm going to win. In my life, I'm going to win. I'm claiming positive because I know the universe bring back to you. So if you are positive about everything, the universe is going to bring positive vibes around you. So no need for you to have negative thought, fear over anything, because God got you. So yeah, and I hope to travel abroad this year by God's grace. Canada, US, UK. I just really hope to travel with my family. So yeah, this is how to make your vision board. So one of the steps to your vision board is to display it and look at it every day. When you do, say an affirmation and say exactly what you want. Put it out to the universe and know that it's going to come back to you. I know that 2020 is my year. I can feel it and I'm willing to put all the work to it to achieve my goal. I hope you guys have a fantastic year ahead and are ready to take on 2020. You guys enjoy this video and that it gives you a bit of motivation and encouragement to make your own vision board. 2020 is going to be an amazing year. for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and leave me any comments below. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.